Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Ghufran Babar. Just wanted to uh, send a message for all the travelers who are going to Pakistan. Make sure that you have gotten your COVID test before departure, and it varies from different country. But for Pakistan, it is 48 hours before your flight leaves. I had a recent travel and I had some experiences that I wanted to share. So other than getting your COVID test done in a timely manner so that your report is within 48 hours of departure, the other thing that you have to do is to register to a website called Fast Track, which is basically a Pakistani website in which you have to put down your credentials. And most important thing is that you have to upload your PCR COVID report, COVID likely negative report, because if COVID is positive, of course, you will not be traveling. So COVID negative report has to be uploaded. And the most important piece of advice in this is that make sure there is a QR code associated with your report. And you have to upload that report. And once it is accepted, you have to print your profile and then take it to your airport. So it happened with me that I had uploaded the results, but the QR code was not uploaded. So when you reach the airport, then you have to upload it there, which can become very difficult, and you have to find a printer to print it. So advice for all the travelers going to Pakistan is that make sure you register on Fast Track and upload your QR code on the website for a negative COVID PCR test. That was one piece. And when you are returning back, make sure that the guideline from US authorities is that you should have a negative COVID within 24 hours of departure. So you have to get the test done on designated labs per your airline. And my departure time was about 2 a.m. in the morning. So the day before, I went in the morning at 8 and got the COVID PCR done. And I had the report by 8 p.m. And then I printed and took it with me. So make sure you print it as a precaution so that sometimes Pakistani authorities would like a printed report instead of the one that you will get on your cell phone. So print the report and take it to the airport so that you and make sure you reach there about 3 hours before the departure of your flight so that you can board your flight in a timely manner. Other than that, another piece of advice, make sure for future travel, try to pick an airline which does not stop at Abu Dhabi, because authorities there can delay your departure. They would again like proof of your COVID negative test as well as COVID immunization card. So before you leave US and when you return US, you should have your COVID-19 immunization record with you. It is an additional document in addition to your passport and your negative PCR report with QR code, which will let you travel leaving from US and returning. And in Abu Dhabi, if you are taking like Etihad Airways, they will scan your luggage over there and do the immigration there. And luggage scanning can sometimes take a little while, could be annoying. And when they do the immigration, it's not US officials, it's local Abu Dhabi officials. And sometimes even if you are a US citizen, they may ask you silly questions even after scanning your luggage. Like I was asked if I was carrying any cigarettes, any jewelry, any piece of cash. So regardless of who you are, you will feel it annoying. So I would encourage you to take airlines where either you have your immigration in US or not in Abu Dhabi. Just an additional piece of advice for future travel. But make sure when you are in US, practice social distancing, hand washing, cover your face with a mask as much as possible. I know it's hard, but do it as much as possible. And make sure that you are immunized and encourage immunization to other people. Hopefully, this short video would help you in your travel. Safe travels and best of luck. May Allah help us all. Assalamu alaikum and thank you.